homogeneous form of differential equation. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Homogeneous differential equation. dy by dx is equals to f of xy divided by g of xy. When power of numerator equal to power of denominator, then the differential equation is known as homogeneous differential equation. In this homogeneous differential equation, put y is equals to Vx, differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to v using product rule. First term remain as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of first term dv by dx into x. Substitute value of dy by dx and y in given differential equation. For example, first example, solve xy dy is equals to x square plus y square bracket complete dx. Transfer dx on the left side and coefficient of dy means xy transfer to the right side. We get dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square divided by xy. Power of numerator is equals to power of denominator is equals to 2. Power of x is 1, power of y is 1, and there is a product. So according to index rule, addition of the power takes place. So the power is 2 of numerator and denominator. Therefore substitute y is equals to Vx. Differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Substitute value of y and dy by dx in the above equation. We get v plus x dv by dx is equals to x square plus, instead of y put vx bracket square divided by x into vx is equals to x square plus x square v square divided by x into x square v. Common outside x square from the numerator, we get x square into bracket 1 plus v square divided by x square into v. X square get cancelled. Then transfer this v on the right side. We get x dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v square divided by v minus v. Taking LCM is equals to 1 plus v square minus v square divided by v. V square get cancelled. The remaining term is 1 upon v. Transfer v on the left side and x upon dx to the right side. Then we get v dv is equals to dx divided by x. This form is known as variable separable form. Then integrating on both sides. Integration v dv is equals to integration dx upon x. Integration of v dv, v square upon 2 is equals to integration of dx upon x, log x, plus c. Substitute value of v. V is y upon x. Value of v. V is equals to y upon x. Y square upon 2x square is equals to log x plus c is the final result. Next example, y dx is equals to x dy into dx. Transfer this term root x into y into dx on the left side. Common outside dx. So y minus root xy bracket complete dx is equals to x dy. Transfer x on the left side and dx on the right side. We get y minus root xy divided by x is equals to dy divided by dx. Here power of numerator is equals to power of denominator is equals to 1. Therefore, known as homogeneous differential equation. In homogeneous differential equation, substitute y is equals to vx and v is equals to y upon x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Substitute value of y and dy by dx in this equation. Vx minus root x into vx divided by x is equals to, instead of dy by dx, substitute v plus x dv by dx. Then v x minus x into x square, common outside from the root, we get x root v divided by x is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Common outside x from the numerator, x into bracket v minus root v bracket complete divided by x is equals to v plus x dv by dx. X from numerator and denominator get cancelled. Then the remaining term is v minus root v is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Then from left side and from right side there is v and both these v get cancelled. Then remaining term is minus root v is equals to x dv by dx. Transfer dx x upon dx on the left side and root v on the right side. Then we get minus dx upon x is equals to dv divided by root v. Variables are separated, known as variable separable form. Integrating on both sides. Minus integration dx upon x is equals to integration dv divided by root v. We know that integration dx upon root x is equals to 2 root x minus log x is equals to 2 root v plus c. Substitute value of v. V is equals to y upon x. Then minus log x is equals to 2 root y upon x plus c. Transfer minus log x on the right side and c to the left side. We get 2 root y upon x plus log c. Log x is equals to c is the final result of the given homogeneous equation. Homework on this topic. First example, dy by dx is equals to 1 plus y upon x plus y square upon x square. Hint: taking LCM is equals to x square. Next homework, dy by dx is equals to 4x minus 3y divided by 3x minus 2y. If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good